Izimpendulo zikaJenene Bhekicele, owayengungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa, zicacisa ngokusobala ukuthi ukuboshwa kukaJenene Dumisani Khumalo, ophethe ezobunhloli eGauteng aphinde abe ukhomanda we-PKTT, kwakuyitulo nje lokumvimbela ukuthi aphenye bese ebopha uKurt Matlala ngamacala abekwa wona. UJenene Bhekicele ubuye watshela izwe ukuthi uKurt Matlala wamtshela ukuthi wabenza i-afidavithi, incwadi efungelwe, waqamba amanga ukuthi ngesikhathi amaphoyisa egalela kwakhe ezophenya ezoshaqa ubufakazi ngezinsolo abeka zona, athatha newashi ekuthiwa yi-Rolex aphinde athatha ubucwebe bukankosikazi wakhe.
I've met a person that I do not know has given me this information, and there is an action that I need to take, is that Khumalo should not go to court, because Khumalo going to court is not genuine. Is to put him there, he loses the case and is disciplined, and I guess the aim is to take him out of police, especially having come from the person that I knew they were not very close, him and Ismail.